Hello students, welcome to Neet with Sathya ma'am. Today I would like to address what should you do with this last 2 weeks just before your Neet exams. Okay, so today is Sunday and you have one more Sunday, that is on September 5th, and next Sunday, September 12th, you have your Neet exam. So this last 2 weeks, what should you do? First thing is, don't be stressed and don't overwork this last 2 weeks. Okay, one important thing that you should do in this last 2 weeks is do a mock test every day. Okay, so that is your Neet mock test. Okay, so what is this Neet mock test is? You have your final Neet exam on 12th of September between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and you will be seated in your exam hall from 1 o'clock. Okay, so start practicing that. So be silent from 1 o'clock, don't prepare anything and sit down for your test, the grand test or your mock test of Neet. Okay, and start writing the test from 2 o'clock and complete it on or before 5 p.m. So every day from now start your Neet mock test from 2 to 5. That is one first thing that you should do. Okay, so what should you do after your mock test is do analyze your question paper. Okay, so do an error analysis. What is this error analysis is? Start listening start identifying the questions where you have done mistakes. Understand why you have done mistake. Is it a careless mistake or is it a mistake but because you don't know the concept, or is it a mistake that you have wrongly shaded the option in the OMR sheet? Just understand the mistakes, sensitize the mistakes and try to overcome the mistakes. If it is the concept that you don't know and you have done a mistake, learn the concept. If it is a careless mistake is the thing that you should try to overcome in this last 2 weeks. Okay, so careless mistake may be because you know the answer, you have calculated it right, but you have shaded it wrong. That is one careless mistake. Second is, you know the answer, but still you have misread the question. You have not read the question thoroughly, so you have done it wrong. So that is one other type of careless mistake. Or you know the question, you know how to solve it, but when solving, in a step you have done a mistake, calculation mistake. So that is another type of careless mistake. Okay, so you have or when in a hurry when you are posting the answers, you have wrongly shaded. So there may be a lot of ways that you may do a careless mistake. Okay, so what should you do in this last 2 weeks is, it is okay if you don't know some concept, you can miss those questions, but whatever questions you know, try to answer it right. Okay, and you should practice it to answer it right. That is what you should do in this last 2 weeks. Okay, how to practice is, do mock test every day and see what mistakes you are doing. Understand the mistake, sensitize the mistake, try to overcome the mistakes that you can do, okay, so that you can correct it. Okay, so these are the things that you should do in this last 2 weeks. When it comes to subject wise revision, in case of physics, just go through the concepts and formulas from your small notes. If you are prepared with all the chapters, go through for all the chapters in the morning session. Okay, take 2 hours every day for physics, 2 hours for chemistry and 2 hours for biology before the examination. After the examination, do error analysis and error correction practice. Okay, so that is what you have to plan every day in this last 14 days. Okay, so what is that you should revise in physics is, go through the formulas and concepts of the chapters you are thorough with and then practice full test question papers. The questions no need to go for chapter wise question practice at this time. Okay, so it is enough if you are doing a mock test. So wherever you are confused with some concept, those concepts you can revise now. Okay, so revise the formulas and concepts that you have to revise for the chapters that you are prepared and the concepts that you have done mistake. That is enough for physics. In case of chemistry, and in chemistry you have organic, inorganic and physical. I have given a separate video on must do chapters of organic, inorganic and physical. If you are prepared with all the chapters, it is good enough. If you are selected with some chapters to prepare, revise the concepts of organic, inorganic and see the formulas and the concepts of physical, and whenever you are preparing in the last moment, go through the notes or NCERT from where you have already prepared. Okay, don't take any fresh material for preparation at this stage. Okay, so when it comes to biology, Again, in case of biology, don't overdo anything at this point of time. Okay, just go through your NCERT or class notes which you have prepared for your exams all the while. Okay, so don't take any extra material, don't go for any extra preparation at this stage. Revise, do grand test, then do error analysis, try to rectify your careless mistakes, and just be calm, quiet, and don't be too much stressed at this point of time. These are the things that you should do at this point of time. Okay, so do well, and hope all of you do your NEET exam successfully. Hope all the best for you. Subscribe my channel to have updates of must do chapters of NEET exams. Thank you.